So if Remove.bg is loading really slow in 2026, yeah, like it takes forever to upload or process your image, don't worry. This is usually caused by a few common issues you can fix fast. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet is the number one reason Remove.bg feels sluggish. Next, close unnecessary tabs or apps. Too many running programs can slow down your browser performance. Now check your image size. Large, high-resolution files take longer to upload and process. If it's still slow, switch to a faster browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge. They handle web tools more efficiently. Now turn off extensions like ad blockers or VPN tools. These can slow down processing speed significantly. Next, clear your browser cache. Old stored data can slow down website performance over time. If it's still slow, try again later. Sometimes servers are busy during peak hours, which causes delays. Finally, use a stable device and avoid switching networks while uploading. Consistent connection helps speed things up. And that's it. Once you apply these fixes, Remove.bg should load much faster and run smoothly again.